Google just dropped Gemini Omni feature, and it feels like everybody was talking about it on the internet a couple of weeks ago. I wanted to give it a try for a couple of weeks just to see if this is a legitimate tool that I would recommend to you. And honestly, full honesty, when I first tried it, I wasn't really sure if I liked it, but the more I use it, the more I realize this is actually a really powerful tool. And I have multiple different areas that I actually currently use right now. That's why I thought to just record this video. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I use Gemini Omni to create my content. And for you, if you're really lost because there are so many different tools out there, this video is for you because I'm going to simplify this as much as possible. But let's go over what is Gemini Omni first. Gemini Omni is Google's multi-model AI model designed specifically to generate, edit, and understand video. A lot of people say this is like a video version of Nano Banana, which is fantastic. So that's exactly what we're going to see today. We're going to talk about how to create videos, but not only that, just creating video part is not everything when it comes to content. You have to do research. You have to actually write the script and generate thumbnail as well as create videos and then editing. All of that is content creation. And before we talk about this deep research, and I'm going to walk you through the feature of Notebook LM, I wanted to share this PDF documentation that you can take a look at. This is by HubSpot, which is a sponsor of today's video. And they put this 26 pages documentation for us talking about how do we use Google Gemini and Notebook LM to do deep research. Inside this document, it talks about very specific prompt and how we can actually save time through Google Gemini deep research tool. It also has a real case study from marketers, how they use it. So if you'd like to take a look at this document, it's free and I'll put in the description below. So one thing that I really like about Google Gemini, one thing about me is I don't like to go to different places to find different products or use 100 different tools to create one content. It's too complicated for me. Even the camera I'm using right now, it's my iPhone because it's way too complicated. I bought the Samsung mic back in 2020 and even this was a little confusing towards the beginning, but I realized you can just hook up to a laptop, and ever since I realized this is simple, I decide to use this. Anyways, long story short, the reason why I think this tool is pretty cool is because you don't have to go to multiple different platforms. Everything's just here. But I do want to specify one thing. I am on this AI Plus plan. I'm not on a free plan. And I've tried being on a free plan just to see if I can use some of the features from Google Omni, which I can. I can still use images, which is Nano Banana or Nano Banana Pro. I can still use this research tool or still talk to Gemini for free. However, there's limitations. Like even images, if I'm on a free plan, I can only generate 2 to 3 images per day, which is too little. If you're in a free version, no, you can't use video. At least that's what I found out because I have a free version, I have paid version with my Gmail account, and whenever I went to my free version, it didn't let me. If you know any other tool, just put in the comment because I would love to figure that out. I just wanted to show you that I'm on an AI Plus plan. They have some promo going on. When I first signed up, it was only $3, but now I pay $8 a month, which is not bad. Now, if you do AI Pro, which is, I think they have promo going on as well. And after 2 months, it's $20. Anyways, if you were to use Google Flow, which is the video platform that you can generate video, very cinematic, and you can extend the video, edit the video there, then you have to have Pro version. But for now, for the sake of this video, we're not using Google Flow because we're just going to go with the basic. So Google AI Plus is what I recommend, which is a very, very basic plan by Google. And by the way, I'm not affiliated by Google. I just wanted to share what plan I'm on so that I can be more transparent with you. All right, so there are a couple different ways that you can use Gemini, but step number one, before you do anything, before you even generate videos, right? Even though it looks pretty fun, like talking pets, how fun is that, right? Or doodle effects or comic books. I'm like one of those nerds. I just like this type of animation as well. Before you have so much fun with this, just let you know, whenever you prompt something in here and then generate the video, that costs you credit. Okay. I didn't know that when I first started it, which is so funny because Google Flow is something that I started at first and I was just playing with a bunch of different things. I have 3 kids and my daughter loves princesses and my son loves dinosaurs. So, and this was a year ago, back in 2025 when I first started it. And like, here's the princesses. Okay, this was a year ago. Just don't keep that in mind, okay? It wasn't as good because it was a year ago. But back then, we were like, oh my gosh, what is this? This is amazing. Long story short, I didn't know it cost credit, and I spent the credit pretty fast, like within a day. And I'm like, shoot, what is credit? I didn't know anything about that. And ASMR, I wanted to do ASMR style, faceless channel. And I'm like, holy cow, this looks so good. That was my initial thought. Anyways, that was me back in the day, but Google has changed so much. And honestly, going back, if I were a student, I would have loved this feature, Notebook LM. And one of the pro of Google Omni is it has everything in here. It has the image generation feature, which is Nano Banana. It has the video generation feature here like this, or even have some daily brief, some updates that you need to do. It reads your email and tells you exactly what your next steps are, which is fascinating. I'm not going to click this because some of the information are pretty confidential, so I'm not going to do that, but it's pretty cool. And the other thing is it has a feature of Notebook LM inside the Gemini app over here. So based on all this information in here, you can just ask exactly what you want. You can just say, I want to generate a video, a B-roll of me studying at the cafeteria or something like that. You can just generate it up in front. By the way, this Notebook LM is amazing. I just have to say this because right now, currently, I'm trying to build my LinkedIn and also Instagram. And one of the things that I got recommended over and over is carousel. That's one thing that a lot of people like to see. We used to do that before AI days, and now we're back to it. It's like a fashion. It's coming back. Anyways, long story short, I put my YouTube channel in this Notebook LM and have AI study the most popular video. And I try all different features in here in Studio. I try slide deck and mind map, infographic, and video overview reports. And then the result was pretty fascinating. Look at this. It has all different things that I talk about in my videos and then talk about, hey, what does Sandy really talk about? All right, so Sandy talked about this monetization strategy. And she talked about this one-person AI business and selling AI videos to local businesses, 10K a month AI services, passive income experiments, AI agency alternatives. All right, let's look at this one-person AI business. What did she really talk about? Then it does a study for you and then tell you exactly what I talked about. And do you see like this 2-in-1? It will tell you exactly where I talk about it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And it does all of that. So if you just open it, then you will pretty much study and know exactly. Just imagine if this is history, right? And then it does map everything out for you in terms of like what year had this happened and how this person is related to that person. I would have scored, I don't know, maybe B in my history. I hated history. But anyways, long story short, this is pretty cool. Just one of the feature over here. Let's go with a different feature. Scaling business with AI playbook. It has infographic right here. Kind of similar to Nano Banana, honestly. So probably it would have been the same thing. But pretty cool. It just has it right here. For me personally, this is too many words. Like I'm not going to read this many words, honestly. So I just like to simplify everything. So let's go with the next one. And it also write an article. Right now, currently, I'm trying to build my newsletter. And honestly, I'm trying to study how to even write a newsletter because I have never done that before. Fingers crossed. But this is going to be a big help because based on my content that I've been producing in the past, it will put everything into this newsletter blog style for me. Even this is kind of too long, but you can simplify it. You can just copy this and then paste it in here and say, I want you to simplify this or something like that. So it's pretty cool though. Okay, let's go with the next one. Remember the carousel that I was talking about? This is exactly the feature in Notebook LM, how you can use carousel style. Look at this. It's just generate this whole thing. I mean, I'm pretty sure I've seen something like this on LinkedIn or Instagram in the past. Again, this is too many words, so you can change it. That's the beauty of this. But like the last one, this is great. My gosh, this looks really good. So imagine if I were to post something related to this and then just put this carousel style or like people can swipe next, then that will be so easy. I absolutely love this feature. so much. And this is just to prove how you can have a multiple different style. So AI will be just as good if you prompt it right. So this is one of the things that you can use. However, instead of going to Notebook LM again, and one of the ways how you can do it is you can use Gemini and add resources in here from website, from the files or Google Drive, and use it from here. So that's the very first thing that I would do, which is having Gemini study your channel if you already have your channel. If they don't have your channel, then what I would do is have them learn about you. And one of the best way to do it is fill out this blueprint, personal blueprint. Now, this is the app that I built. However, you don't even need to use this. This is free for get the personal blueprint. But if you don't want to do it, then you can just simply type your answers in Gemini and have Gemini read who you are. So this app is pretty much talking about this specific thing, which is called Ikigai. So Ikigai is a Japanese concept. It means reason for being. I've heard of this like several years ago. And when I first heard it, I thought it was fascinating because it talks about what you love to do and also what are you good at and what can you get paid for. What does the world needs? So in the past, I only focused on either what do you love to do, what are you really good at, or I only focus on what does the world need or how can I get paid. What Ikigai is talking about is you need to focus on all 4 different criterias and then find the common ground and use that common ground for your content or for your business to build your brand. Personally, I'm really passionate about this concept because I've experienced this in the past. Back in 2018, being a content creator, I grew my channel to 550K, but I didn't really know how to generate money because I only focused on what I love to do and what I'm good at. After I semi-failed it and got burned out, I opened another channel talking about skincare. And skincare is what does the world need and what can you get paid for section, but it wasn't something that I loved to do or what I was good at. So I just gave up on that. And there are multiple different things that I did after that I all gave up. But I went back to this concept and then realized, oh my gosh, I didn't really think about all different 4 things I should have. So long story short, after whether you fill this out here, you'll get a PDF so you can just give it to Gemini or you put it here straight, whatever is easier for you, do it. I want Gemini to understand who you are first, okay? And based on that, you need to have a content strategy of what kind of videos you're going to create. I'm all about building a personal brand. I'm also a huge believer that you can build your personal brand without your face in it. So like faceless channel, whether you clone yourself, which here you can as well, just click the plus sign if you go to Gemini and then click avatar. And if you click avatar, then it will learn who you are. You can try the avatar in here. I can't try it because I'm using my phone to record this video. But anyways, you can use yourself inside of the video. I gotta say, it looks a little awkward right now, but I honestly believe that's gonna change in about 6 months or less than 6 months. By the end of the year, you probably can't tell who's who, what's AI, what's not AI, which is pretty scary. But as long as we use it right, I'm pro AI as long as we use it right, okay? Anyways, going back to this, have a content strategy, what kind of style you want, what kind of story you want to tell, because story is everything. Without a story and purpose and you're creating a content, well, sometimes that could work because that's entertainment, but fighting against entertainment video is so hard. It's very hard. I'm more of an educational video versus entertainment video because I don't know, I'm not funny. Like my personality is just not funny. There's so many different AI who can make amazing, funny videos, you know? So I'm pretty sure if I were to go with the entertainment route, maybe I can get replaced. That was my initial thought, but I wanted to bring value in education and share my personal experience and help people who were me 6 months ago. That was me. Because literally 6 months ago, I struggled so much from jumping into different projects from Amazon FBA to Etsy to print on demand. I still have a cup that I made from print on demand and just a lot. I did a lot of different side hustles and failed all of them. So this one literally worked for me, which is creating content and building your personal brand using AI to faster the process. So that's the reason why I was so passionate about teaching you guys all of this. Anyways, long story short, this is how you can use it. It's one of the fastest way to use video because it has a style over here. So as an example, I kind of like this analyze me section. It just kind of looked like cartoony and I can probably use this for my B-roll. See, I have an idea. I can use this for my B-roll. Or if you're like, hey, I want to do this housewarming party invitation, but this video is going to be for the kiddos. Then you can use this cute fox style and then change this to your own little cartoony animation, right? You're still telling your story, you have a purpose, so it's really good for you to build your brand through that. So basically what I did is I put this analyze me, I clicked the video and I put my photo that I chopped my photo, half of it, and I just say analyze Sandy and introduce her as an AI content strategy. And this is the video that I got. All right, this wasn't bad. I like this cartoony style, and I wanted to give it a try and say, all right, can you have Sandy talk about this topic, which is a topic that I was talking about in Google LM about my channel. And it's like, hey, have Sandy talk about this with this format. And this is the result that I got.
Hi, everyone. Let's talk about AI content strategy. It's all about being creative and efficient. Watch how we can transform your brand.
Okay, that definitely does sound like AI for sure, because that's not my voice. However, again, this cartoony style, and I kind of like her hair, honestly. But this is not bad, guys. Just think about it. Last year, the princess video that I show you in Google Flow is sucked, right? And like the dinosaur, you can totally tell. But now it's just so good. It looks like, anyways, it's just only getting better. And all you have to do if you were to use this is just simply download the video, and that's it. Now, if you're curious, how do we remove the logo of Gemini? I just Googled it and then I searched this website, geminiwatermark.io. I simply put the video in here and I downloaded it, but it's not perfect. Just let you know, this one looks like this. You can kind of tell there's a logo still there. It's not perfect. If you know any other tool that's better than this one, please let me know. Put in the comments so other people can get the benefit from it. I hope there's an option to remove Gemini logo from the get-go, which will be so much easier for us. But for now, I just asked Gemini, can you remove the Gemini logo? We'll see how it turns out, but you get the point. For now, you need to get a concept of what kind of video you're going to generate. Just don't randomly generate video for fun. You can, if you have a lot of money and time, honestly. That can be one of your hobby. Yeah, it can be. That's one of the ways you can do it. And the other ways that I actively use Gemini for a lot is actually generating thumbnail. So whenever I generate a thumbnail, I get inspired by other creators, study the format that works for others, and put my unique spin to it. And one of the tools that I use is Google Nano Banana Pro right here. Yes, and honestly, if you use a free version, you can also use Nano Banana Pro. The only thing is they only generate like 3 images per day, 2 to 3. So what I did in the past is I have multiple Gmail accounts. So I just use a couple different things. I don't know, that's just what I did. But right now, since I'm on a paid version, it let me generate a lot of images. And typically I go back and forth changing the thumbnail about 7 to 8 times per video. So that's what I do. If you see over here, you see the same thumbnail that I generated over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And also if there's something that I can't really change, that I go to Canva and then use it and do it manually for myself too. All right, by the way, the Gemini logo is not removed and I don't know what happened here. Again, this is not perfect, but just like what others are talking about, with a simple prompt, you can generate the video. Yeah, that's the beauty of it. And that's why a lot of people on YouTube say, this is an amazing tool. It's been a game changer. It's going to change the whole industry, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I guess I can see that happen. I actually found a couple different case studies that I would use it, right? The carousel feature and also Gemini Nano Banana feature, and also research tool a little bit. But video wise, it's good, but it needs a lot of different prompting towards the beginning. It's not just one prompt. So I hope this video was helpful. I try to be as honest as possible, and I don't recommend a tool if I think it's a complete waste of your time. I wanted to give a little bit of tease what this looks like. By the way, if you're a student, they always do this like free student for a year type of thing towards the beginning of the school year. So if you're a student, I will definitely look out for any news that Google is launching. If you're really serious about creating content and maybe even thinking about, hey, how can I actually generate money using content? I put down the individual breakdown of how much I made last month, which was $44,000 in total. That's a gross income. So after like all different tools, deduction, it's not, and taxes, it's not as much. But however, you see the potential over here. So if you're curious about that, you can watch it in here in the next video.